And we're live, folks. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you guys are having an amazing Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Hope the rain isn't raining on your parade and whatnot. Hope it's still rainbows at the end of the day for you guys. And about to just get into it, the importance of your mother. So yeah, about to just get right into it. I'm not gonna do no special introduction or nothing, but just Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So the first thing we want to know is that our mothers are our first teachers in life. Since we're carried through the womb for 9 months, and once we get out, the first human type of contact, like skin to skin contact at least, is with our mothers. And we take the time to, she takes the time to hold us, nurture us, even breastfeed us and whatnot. So we get that first like emotional connection from our mothers. And, it helps shape like the love that we get and it helps shapes how we feel. So with that being said, once we get the emotional connection, she teaches us how to, so she's with us most of the time. A lot of the time, she's there with us to put us to sleep. We sleep with her and whatnot, and she just feeds us and everything. So she's teaching us our first spiritual guide, our first spirit guide. Our parents are our spirit guides, but our mother is our first one, the first one we come in contact with on a emotional level, emotional connection. She's teaching us the ropes. She teaches us right from wrong, and sometimes she's maybe like the disciplinary in some cases and whatever. So yeah, that's like the first important thing. The next important thing is that we get our perception and how we feel about life from our mother. So with that being said, and so if we have like some perception about life, such as like how we see life, we love life or we hate life. That's basically how our mother feels about life, and then, well, how she felt about life before we came to Earth, before she gave birth to us. So with that being said, whatever she felt like, we get it from her. We develop it from her since we share 95% of our DNA with our mother. 90 to 95% of our DNA from our mother, and so that's basically the dominant gene. The mother's the dominant gene, and since females were here first or whatnot, and the feminine energy is the most powerful energy on the planet, and our mothers are to inhabit the vessels of these energies. So since they're women, with that being said, but yeah, just take the time today, appreciate your mother or whatever mother figure you have, whatever guardian your mother, because they are the ones that brought us here. Well, they carried us for 9 months as well. Well, yeah, well, as well as our fathers, co-creating with our fathers. So just take the time to appreciate your mother or whatever mother figure that was in your life, and just take the time to like wine and dine them, spoil them, let them know how much you appreciate them because they had a hard time, they had a tough time. It was a hard job bringing us and raising us the best they could, and they deserve all the love and respect for being in our lives and treating us the way they have treated us, and made sure that we had kept a roof over our heads, food in our belly, and each and everything. Just take the time and tell your mother that you love her. Spend some time with her. Do all the amazing things that you can with her while she's still here. And, just take the time to appreciate her. And that's all I have to say. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I wanted this to be short, and I hope I didn't ramble too much. But yeah, peace and blessings to y'all. You guys are the world, and you guys are amazing. I love you. Peace. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay.